Hey guys, what's up? My name is Rizwan Siani from MakeMyOwnLife.com. Nice to meet you. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to see you on the inside. Alright, few little housekeeping things. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell notification so that you can stay tuned to all the really cool value and really cool offers that I'm going to be reviewing for you. Okay? So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so up for grabs today we have a whiteboard video creating software. Okay, what this does, now you've all seen the whiteboard drawings. Okay, they're basically little cartoons that, you know, like they draw the, like you see that hand drawing the image and stuff. Okay, you know what, I'm just gonna show you the video. All right, where is it? Right here. And what this allows you to do is it allows you to really engage with your customers. Okay, and really get people in front of that product. Okay, like people's eyes in front of that product, right? So as you can see, you have like a pediatrician, physical therapist, dermatologist, personal injury attorney. You can use, there's businesses that will pay to make these whiteboards, and they'll pay at least $200-300 bare minimum. Okay, I've seen people pay at least $500 to $1,000. All right, actually, one of the health companies that promote, I think they paid anywhere from about $1 to $2 grand just to get somebody to make a really cool business video with them. And yeah, man, so I mean, you can really make some really cool quick cash with this. Okay, now here's how you can profit. You sell the video, okay, to a local business for no less than $200, or if they want one on their own, charge $300 and make it your own. Okay, if they want a custom one, right? You offer video marketing packages where you upload and rank the videos for long tail keywords. Set up equity deals where you basically give the video away to business after you have an agreement in place in exchange for a cut of all the sales generated. Basically, you say, here buddy, I'm gonna give you this video, but I want a percentage of the sales. You do that for 5 businesses where you even take 5% of any sales, even if it's 5%, Larry, that's nothing. That's like not that much. Even if you get 2%, okay, that is still a couple hundred extra bucks in your pocket, maybe even thousands of dollars in your pocket, okay, because they're going to be doing like thousands of dollars worth of business from this, right? So I mean, yeah, you can really make some really good money fast. Okay, now something I really like going through. Check out the sales page. I'll drop the links down below. Check out the sales page. Go through it. See if you like it. I honestly, $500 per video. 5,000 for 10 videos. Do this on Fiverr. That's exactly what I was just saying. Do this on Fiverr, guys. You can make like a couple grand in a few days. Right? These guys have 20 days delivery, 7 days. If you do this in 5 days, you can make at least $700 each. 5 days each per video. Do it for 20 videos. Takes you maybe 20 minutes to do tops, right? Man, I don't see why you can't make $5,000 easily, right? So yeah. Okay, so a few things I like to do is I like to go through the OTOs and bonuses you get. Okay, OTOs, I go through them because they can get costly. I got hit with costs about these, and yeah, they suck. Okay, but if you know how to use them properly and use them wisely, you can make a killing with them. Okay, so front end price $12, $12 to $17. All right, light version, pro version. PowerPoint template, UK voiceover. So you get different. So you know that like cool UK voice that we always see. You know, like I can't even. My accent would probably suck, so I'm not even gonna try and butcher it. Okay, but yeah, but anyways, you pump that, you get $27. I would say you're gonna get a lot of good sales with that, because think of the Dyson commercial. That guy's got a cool voice. Next thing you know, they got like a really good person to get them really good sales, right? Source files and square videos. Get this one. Get the source files, because you're going to need them, and then you can shift them around to make them to make them yours, right? Here's another one actually. If you really want to go all in with the voiceover, get the US UK package with the voiceover. All right, it's $27 here, so you actually get both. Oh, PowerPoint template. Yeah, I'd say get this one. Get the video. Don't worry about this PowerPoint template. You can make that on your own, right? It's just putting a bunch of PowerPoints together. Not that hard, you know. Lead generation power pack. Done for you services. So huge done for you services, right? If you want somebody else to do it on your own, boom. Say you don't get this, you got two downsells, $17 and $17. Source files and PowerPoint template. Okay. Basically, guys, you can use this type of video and this type of marketing to get people to click on your links. Okay, it will work. It really, really will. I've clicked on these links half the time and gone down the rabbit hole of some list. Okay, this shit works. All right, so use it, and you're basically paying $1 per video. It's like that's less than a Slurpee. If you guys know slush puppies and Slurpees, that's less than a Slurpee, for crying out loud. That's like 10 Slurpees, right? Hop on it. Okay, so let's go through the bonuses. Everyone loves bonuses. All right, and I'm actually going to be updating this today. Creating a new bonus page. I figure why not? You guys have been good, and you know, I feel like this is going to be some really good software, and I really want you guys to purchase through my link, because you know what? Let's do this. Let's create success, you know? So you use your link supercharger software. I got this myself, and I use it on a daily basis. It's seriously, it helps me a lot, quite a bit. Don't need for ClickMagick just yet. If you don't have ClickMagick, don't worry about it. Pin, full video training course, definitely good automation tool for Pinterest. I'm actually going to be driving a lot of traffic with this and seeing how it works. SEO ranking tactics. This really boosted my ratings, and I sucked at ratings for my website. So I hope it helps you like it helped me. This man, take 10 minutes, go through it, and just see your profits skyrocket. Okay, I'm actually gonna drop another one that's very similar to this, and this really got me going in my head as to how to write good copy and how to be a badass at this game. All right, good software or good solo ad vendors I work with. By the way, everyone gets two things with me when you get my membership or when you get my product. You get this product from my link. You get $50 gift card through to my superfood store. If you like your greens like I do, and I love them, I got my shake right here. I'm already almost finished it. Might just go grab another one, but I love it, and it's really done wonders for me and my health and me and my family's health. So highly recommend it. Chatbot Revolution, get some really good notes, learn how to use chatbot effectively. You also get a free 15-minute coaching call with me if you so choose. There's going to be a link to a calendar where you can literally call me up, book an appointment, we'll shoot the shit. We'll talk about anything that's going on in your business and anything that's going on in your life. We'll make it happen. All right, you're stuck, you're not where you want to be, you're stuck in a dead-end job, that kind of stuff. Let's make this happen. All right, because I don't want you to be stuck in that situation. Okay, I'm there and I wasn't, and now I'm getting out. All right, Scribble. This is a really good ebook creator. Take a look at it. If you need to make a good landing page opt-in or bait opt-in fast, get this. It will really help you a lot. Make some sales really fast. Okay, and get that information that's here and onto paper and onto online. All right. So with that being said, just quick recap. Okay. You got a whiteboard video, gonna get you software, right? Or gonna get you sales, gonna get you traffic, gonna get your customers' attention. You can also resell this to different people, to different businesses and different companies. Okay, I've seen people use this on their websites all the time. You can make $1,000 with this each video. Okay, then you got your OTOs, all the OTOs, right? Where did I just put it? Right here. No. Alright, that sucked. I just turned to balls. Okay. Anyways. And then you get my bonuses. Alright. Check out. So, yeah. So, guys. Just a little thing I like to drop a little, I say golden nugget, not even golden nugget. I just like to drop a little tidbit that can really help you in your business, okay? And this is something that I started doing in my everyday. Is I started routines. I started really getting good at my motivation and really kicking my butt into gear, okay? I'm trying to adopt the mindset of a Navy SEAL. Plain and simple. Basically, they're some badass sons of SOBs and that really know how to work hard, play hard, stay hard. They really know how to push through anything and everything, okay? So, I mean, use that mindset in your business, okay? Don't just take things half-ass and don't just go half-ass. Use that kind of mindset that I will not give up and I will push through like my life depended on it, because sometimes it does. And really use that to push through on your business and make stuff happen. Okay, make that money. Get out of that job. Get out of that 9 to 5. All right, get out of that, you know, that crappy lifestyle that we so fall into, that trap that we fall into. Okay, get out of it, right? So adopt that Navy SEAL mindset and that boxer mindset that I'm going to go through this and I'm never gonna give up and I'm never gonna let down. As long as I have breath, as a life of breath in me, I will not give up. All right. So with that being said, I'd like to thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure you hit the bell notification. Hit the subscribe button first, and let's get to this. Let's make some money. Let's make some moves. Let's make some action happen. Let's help you get out of that job, and let's make success happen. All right. So with that being said, my name is Rizwan Siani saying thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the side of success. All right. Take care. Bye.